Today, we'll be practicing some basic English conversations as a beginner can be fun and rewarding. Here's a simple guide to get started with some basic English conversation practice. You can follow these steps, and I'll also give you examples of common phrases to practice. So grab a pen and paper, or just follow along as we go through these simple phrases and sentences together. Let's start learning and having fun with English. Start by learning how to introduce yourself and greet others. For example, you can say, "Hi, my name is Jamitar's English Elevation. What's your name?" Or, "Hello, how are you?" with responses like, "I'm good, thank you." "How about you?" and "Nice to meet you," with the response, "Nice to meet you too." These simple greetings are the foundation of any conversation. You'll often ask or be asked about how you're doing. Common questions include, "How are you?" with responses like, "I'm fine, thank you," or "I'm good. How are you?" For a more informal approach, you can ask, "What's up?" and respond with, "Not much, just relaxing," or "I'm doing well." These phrases help you connect with others on a personal level. The weather is always a great conversation starter. You can ask, "What's the weather like today?" with responses such as, "It's sunny and warm," "It's raining," or "It's cold outside." Another common question is it hot today?" with responses like, "Yes, it's very hot," or "No, it's not that hot." Talking about the weather is a simple way to engage in small talk. You can ask someone about their plans or what they do every day. Questions like, "What do you do every day?" with responses such as, "I go to work, school," or "I usually relax at home." Another question is, "What are you doing today?" with responses like, "I'm going shopping," or "I'm studying English." These questions help you learn more about someone's routine and interests. Learning some useful responses will help you in conversations. Simple responses like, "Yes" or "No, I don't know, can you help me?" "Excuse me," and "I'm sorry" are essential. These phrases are useful in various situations and help you communicate effectively. Being polite is key in any conversation. Phrases like, "Please," "Thank you," "You're welcome," and "Sorry" are important to show respect and courtesy. Using these polite phrases will make your conversations more pleasant and respectful. Here are some practice sentences to help you get started. You can ask, "What time is it?" with the response, "It's 3 o'clock." Another question is, "Where are you from?" with the response, "I'm from the United Kingdom." You can also ask, "Do you speak English?" with responses like, "Yes, a little," or "Yes, I do." Practicing these sentences will build your confidence in speaking English. It's good to know how to end a conversation politely. You can say, "It was nice talking to you, goodbye. Have a great day," or "See you later." These phrases help you conclude a conversation on a positive note. Start with simple conversations. Repeat common phrases until they feel natural. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes them. Try listening to English conversations through videos, podcasts, or movies to get a feel for how English speakers talk. These tips will help you improve your English conversation skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And of course, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more fun and easy English lessons. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.